Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video with a little bit of a twist to it. The market's already been open 41 minutes, and you can see down here, I'm actually down 138. It's been a roller coaster trading Boeing here, but it's a situation where the goal with this video, hopefully now, I'm not going to force trades, but is to just make kind of a real life learning lesson on why you want to keep the hole small, because by keeping the hole small, you can give yourself a chance to climb out of it. And for me, I'm not going to have to really trade like a superhero in order to climb out of a $138 hole. And that's the goal here. Is I've managed risk. I've had some winners. I've had some losers. But like I said, it's been a mixed bag. And as of right now, yeah, I'm down $138. Now, that also means that I'm not going to go and force a trade for the sake of the video. But the goal here is, I just want to talk you through why it is so important to manage the losses, or to manage your losses, manage your risk, because when you do that, you give yourself a chance to at least stay in the game and give yourself a chance to close green. Now, I'm not looking to make like thousands of dollars today, but at least give myself a chance to, potentially get to green, get to break even, which again is not like I have to go out there and make some sort of $500 trade or $1,000 trade or anything like that. Spot is moving. So still watching Boeing here. Do have to be careful that I'm not revenge trading this thing, which have you ever been there before? You feel like a stock owes you. So I don't feel like it owes me at all, but I have a relatively good grasp on it. I realize the irony in that statement given I'm down $138 on it, but if you watch past videos of mine, then you've seen me trade it for profit. It's so strong, I almost wonder if I should be buying that break of 194, but it's also so overextended. Now, the level that I'm eyeballing very, very closely is 195.15. But I don't know if I'm just dreaming about that or not. Could it actually get up to that level? That would be pretty crazy if it did. We'll see what happens with it, but it is absolutely just roaring right now. At least get the order in place just in case it looks like it actually wants to, especially if it can get up there on this candle. That would be something that I'd be very, very interested in. Well, look at it go. Still got a ways to go, but it is Boeing. But that's the whole idea. That's kind of the premise behind this video, is hopefully it'll turn into, and even if I don't make any trades, that's okay. The learning lesson is the same, because I'll talk you through some things and why, as I'm trying to talk, Boeing is still, can it get through 194.50? Looking like that'll be a stubborn area. If it can, I think it could actually get up to 195.50, which would be a pretty crazy move here. And this is what I'm looking at here. The 5 minute. Look at this thing. It is just crazy. Let me get my order in place. Double checking 195. There we go. So 195.15 is where I have that order to go short 500 shares. There's the break. Oh, it stopped at 195.11. You dirty dog. You dirty, dirty dog. All right, let's go to 195.45. And it stopped at 192.42. Are you serious? Give it another try here. Wow, just hovering too. Well, you've seen it twice now. I've tried to get in, can't quite do it. But what is the low of that candle? And yes, I'm talking to myself here. Low of 194.93. So 195 could be an interesting break in and of itself. So I'm going to be watching that level. But as of right now, this thing just wants to keep on cruising. Quite the eventful Okay, working its way potentially down to 195. So I'm in right now at 195.25. Let's see if we can get the break down below 195. And it gave me nothing. All right, well, we can try that again. It's trying to get down there. And again, what is going on? There we go. Thank you. So now only down $13 on the day, which is great. Again, that was a very unimpressive trade, a frustrating trade, but very unimpressive. But now all of a sudden I'm only down $13 on the day. But what I am going to do, well, we still got 3 minutes left on the 5 minute. I'm mainly watching the 5 minute over here. But I need to stop talking because this thing is just this is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's see, what is that high? 196. Double checking, 196. 45 looks like a very interesting area. Or is he going to play games with me again? Totally playing games. You notice how it just sits right up there below 196.45. I can't wait that long. What is that right there? 196. So almost the same premise as before. I want to see what kind of candle here forms. And if I can get some sort of indecision candle, then I will look to hop in. I mean, but this move is just unsustainable at this point. So I'm in. Well, I got out 200 shares. So still have 300 shares left. But we'll see if this thing wants to roll back over or not. So I may be taking a loss on the final. I don't know, maybe it'll want to break down below there again. There we go. I mean, the thing is strong, but at some point there's got to be some profit taking that shows up at least a little bit here. Let's see if it wants to get down below 196. There we go. So 100 shares left now. And I want to try to let these work for me here. High of 196.75. Okay. We'll look to pull some more off if it can get down below 195.50. Which it just did there. So now just 50 shares left. high of that is at 190, so we'll go 196. Oh, at this point I might as well just go up to 01. How far it's, wow, that fast. All right, well, I'll keep with my ledger. 196, 51. So just 50 shares left up. Whoops. Oh, I forgot to change this to stop. Kept my order type as limit. Well, never mind there. But let's see. After that trade, yeah, there we go. Now I'm up $68 on the day. Now, am I trying to sit here and be like, and look at me. Did you see how good those trades were? No, I mean, there's probably going to be some trolls that show be like, Clay, you're terrible. Like, those trades were so bad. Like, like, that's all you made? That's all you could get out of it? But, I mean, think about that. I hope some trolls show up, because a lot of times they won't listen to the end or their comment during the video. So, I mean, I bet in the comment section, somebody will say something like that. But literally, they know. They're proving my point. That's exactly the point. I don't need to trade fantastically. I needed to trade very average. I mean, you could probably make the argument that I no, I wouldn't say these were bad trades. They were good trades. I mean, I managed them well, and locked in profits on the way down. But the point here being, I could see some trolls showing up saying, Clay, you're a terrible trader. Those were bad trades. Yet under that premise, I was still able to get back into the green. And that's the whole goal. That was the idea behind the video, is showing, yeah, that's why you need to manage risk. That's why you need to control losses. Because, and I say this all the time, but if you find yourself, and maybe I said at the beginning of the video, I don't remember, but if you find yourself needing to trade like a superhero in order to get your losses back, you're doing it wrong. There's something wrong in your risk management department. I'll say that again. If you find yourself needing to trade like a superhero in order to get your gains back, in order to make and get out of the hole that you've dug yourself, that's not a good sign. But if you dig yourself a hole where you can see, and you saw, you can be very average, you can not have some very unimpressive trades, you can be non-superhero like I was here, and you can still, you're fine. I'm green on the day. Now, is it a hugely green day? No, but it's also only 10:23, and I'm up $68. I don't know many places in the world. I mean, what's minimum wage these days? Like $8 or something? I don't know many places in the world where you can make $68 and we'll just call it an hour. Now, is this my goal? No, I want to make more than $68 in an hour. And if you're new to the channel, then I'd say go through the playlist of these live trades, and you'll see a lot of videos where I do well above this. But this is the secondary learning point here is, listen, as much as I wish I could sit here and say that every single morning you can make, $500 in 5 minutes, or, $1,500 in 10 minutes, or I think I did a video, $291 in like 10 minutes or something like that. Now, as great as that would sound, no, not every morning is going to be like that. So you also, learning lesson there is, as a trader, you need to understand that not every morning is going to be money raining down from the sky. Sometimes you'll have to just fight, and that's what I had to do here. Manage risk, had to fight, had to dig myself out of the hole, but I'm still green on the day, and I'm happy with that. And I want you to know that that's okay. Not every morning is going to be rainbows and butterflies and sweet old little ladies on motorized carts. I mean, it's going to be situations where sometimes you just got to dig yourself out of the hole, and that's normal, that's fine. But what distinguishes, are you doing it the right way or the wrong way, is just how big is that hole that you have to actually dig out of. And I'm kind of stalling here because I'm wondering, do I want to try to play this on the long side? But I also need to weigh the voice in my head. Is this just the, hey, make a cool YouTube video, Clay voice? Because that's a very real voice for me at times. So I have to deal and acknowledge that. Sometimes I just want to make a trade for the sake of the YouTube video itself, which, no offense to any of you, I love you as subscribers and viewers, but I mean, this is real money. This is not a demo account. So I got to be careful, and I can't just be throwing trades out there just to make a cool video. But I think this was cool. In fact, so much so that I'm just going to wrap it up here because the point was proven. Some very average trading, some very, quite frankly, unimpressive trading, and hopefully some trolls, help me out by proving this in the comment section. But yet, even with that bad trading, even with the unimpressive trading, I was still able to not only get myself back to break even, but put myself up to a situation where I still am walking away with $68 in my pocket after less than an hour of work. So that is definitely worth my time. If you do enjoy these videos, and if you enjoy these, this was a live trade video, but it definitely had more of a learning aspect to it. So if you enjoy these videos, just let me know down in the comment section below. The very time efficient way though is just to hit that like button, and then also check out the channel as a whole. And like I said, there's lots of other of these live trade videos here that you can see a good variety of. So check those out. But yeah, if anything, and you just like these live trade videos and want me to keep making them, like I said, easy way to do that to communicate, just hit that like button. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.